Welcome, Murrells Inlet 29576 and Garden City for your um, August 2024 local market update for single family residential homes. So let's go down to August at the bottom here. Average price per square foot. Just so you know, it is down from August, but in July of 2024 we were up from 2023, so they regulate back and forth and you can check these. That's why I do it this way, so you can look, on your own. So 622 280 compared to 625 350 in 2023 was the average sales price. 118 days on market compared to 114. 192, so we did go down just in August, but we were up in July. So 192 compared to 203. We have more inventory now. So 3.5 months of supply compared to 2.9. And this shows you 176 active listings compared to 141 last year. 62 sailed, which is up, 49 pending. So it's a great time still to sell your home in these areas. Prices are up and nobody knows what's going to happen in the election. So call me if you're interested, and we'll go over your specific area and your home.